Hello everyone. So in this particular video we are going to solve one question which is generally asked in interview. So we have a two question actually. The first question is like how actually we can print a duplicate record which is present in the data. So suppose you have a ID column and suppose you have a email column and suppose you have a abc@gmail.com. This is multiple time this particular record is present in the data. So how actually you will find out like this abc@gmail.com we have a duplicate entry for this particular Gmail. So we have to print all the email where the duplicate record is present in the table. That is the first question. The second question is how actually we can remove a duplicate entry. Means here we want to find out only the distinct record. So the second question is simple. Here only we want only distinct record to be printed, but in the first question you can see we had to print whatever the duplicate record which is present. So if we have a abc@gmail.com which is present multiple time, then we have to print abc@gmail.com. If we have any other email ID which is also present multiple time, then we have to print all the email ID which is present multiple time, means all the duplicate records. We are going to solve using a PySpark and the Spark SQL. So let me open my Databricks. In this Databricks you can see I have a data, I have a column is given. What will be our first step? First step to create a data frame. How actually we can create? Spark dot create and the data frame, and we will pass the data as well as the column. So whatever the data is given, whatever the column is given, that actually I'm passing, and after that I will do df.show. If I will do df.show, I should be able to view my data. In this data you can see I have a ID is given, I have a name is given. This name is representing the all the Gmail ID. So what we had to find out, in this ID you can see I have a ID1 abc@gmail.com, then I have ID2 df@gmail.com. Then again you can see ID1 abc@gmail.com, means this abc@gmail.com this present multiple time, right? So this is a duplicate record. So we have to print wherever the multiple record is present for that email ID. So what we are going to do, print duplicate records. How actually we can do that, actually we are going to see. So I am going to use first PySpark and then Spark SQL we will see. So in PySpark what you have to write, df dot, what we are going to do, we are going to group based on the name column, and we are going to count. So if any count is greater than 1, then that is a duplicate record. So what actually I am going to do, df dot group by, and I am going to group based on the name, and after that what actually I am doing, I am doing a count. So if I will show you this, to show this, what will I display? Now if I will execute this, you will see it is giving me abc@gmail.com is present 2 times and def@gmail.com is present 1 time. Now what I have to find out, if the count is greater than 1, means that is a duplicate record, right? So here I have to apply a filter also. So what I will write, filter, and after that I will write call. Call is the one library which we will try to import, and here I will pass count should be greater than 1. I am filtering call count greater than 1. So first we have to import a call. How actually we can import? So for that we have to write from PySpark dot SQL dot functions import call. Now if I will execute, now you can see I am only getting the abc@gmail.com, means this particular email is present multiple times. So with the help of this I am able to get whatever the duplicate record is present, that email ID I am only able to print. So that's how, that was the first question. So I hope you got it. Now if you want to use the same, if you want to solve using the same using a SQL, how actually you can do that? So first df dot create or replace time frame, we are going to convert into a one virtual table. So I will write sample. So this df I am converting into a one virtual table sample. Now so that I can write any kind of the SQL query. So one sample table got created. If I'll do select star from sample, I should be able to view the data. You can see I am able to view the data. Now what we will write query, so we will write select count of count star, and we will try to group based on the name from sample. Select count star name, and we are going to group based on the name, group by name. If I'll do this, you can see I am able to get this abc@gmail.com present 2 time, df present 1 time. Now if here I will write having count star greater than 1, then I should be able to get only the duplicate record which is present. You can see abc@gmail.com which is present multiple times. So that's how actually we can print all the duplicate records. Now second question, which was very easy, and that is like how to remove duplicate entry, means you have to print only the distinct records. So next question is remove duplicate records. So if I'll do select distinct ID and name from sample, then I will get the distinct record only, right? This was very simple. You can see I'm only getting all the distinct record, means to abc@gmail.com was present multiple time, right? But we are only printing one time. So that's how actually we can solve. And with the help of PySpark, how actually we can write. So you have to write df dot distinct dot show. So you can see 1 and 2, this is the unique record which I am getting. So I hope you got it. Yeah, that's it in this video.